In this video, I will show you how to install Element 3D in Adobe After Effects. So first things first, you need to head over to videocopilot.net and you should be able to see in here this Element 3D. So it depends of you if you want to buy the version 2 or the first version. We have in here this one, and you can just scroll down and click on this buy option. It amounts around $200. Just click on this buy option and then click on this checkout, and then after I've done that, click on this checkout in here again. Click on OK. And then it should be able to show you in here an order form, billing address, and a lot more. You just need to fill this up in order to successfully buy this. Now, once you have bought this particular Element 3D, next thing is to just install it as usual if it's already been downloaded. And it should be able to run smoothly with Adobe After Effects once it's been installed. So that's how you do it, and I hope we help.